How's it going, boys and girls? This is Mr. Zuckerman, and today I'm going to be describing to you and explaining to you what you need to do for your project, your Instagram project. Okay, it's actually a biography, but I thought it would be a fun way to introduce some modern 21st century skills, Instagramming, and getting you something you'd enjoy, not just a regular biography. So it is a project, it will be counted as a project grade. I just want you to know here are the directions and we'll go over them together. So here, directions and rubric. Hello students, below you will find the rubric and expectations for your Civil War final project that will be used to wrap up our unit. This project will focus on using one of the most famous social media platforms that exists today in the 21st century, Instagram. Mr. Zuckerman will give you a template to use that has all of the information you will need to complete this project. Also, Mr. Zuckerman will create a YouTube video, which I'm doing now, explaining and showcasing what you need to do to receive full marks or get 100 or an A, whatever grade you want. You will also have 2 days to complete this project. At the end of the day, whoever you choose for your project, you will only need to choose one person. You will have completed a ton of research and found multiple primary sources and secondary sources to use. Okay, so let's look at this rubric. Rubrics will tell you what you need. And the first thing you need is the name, person, and occupation. And I need you to look over here now and see that here is the name and the occupation, the job, the title of the person, okay? And you need a profile picture. I'm highlighting it for you. So, Mr. Zuckerman went online and Googled a picture of Ulysses S. Grant. I then downloaded that picture or saved that picture and then moved it over here. That's all you have to do is move the picture here and then use these little squares to adjust the picture. Okay? If you want to move the picture, you have to get this little cross symbol here and move it to where you want. Write the title of the person you're doing, his occupation, and we know that Grant was a general. You can say general, or he was a president. He will be a president. Okay? And if you can't see the writing, it's okay to expand this box. Okay? You can make the box bigger and just give yourself more room to write. Okay? You need to have information about the person, and the information about the person is here. If it does not fit in here, you can always shrink the writing and or close or expand the box. And you need a location. Where would Grant be? You know he was in a bunch of battles. Where might Grant be? Okay. Now, down here, these do nothing. This is just for show. This is just for show, etc. But you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pictures. And each one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, corresponds to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they need to be in order. So, for example, Mr. Zuckerman chose a random picture of Abraham Lincoln, okay? And I'm going to put it here. Same thing. I went online, I Googled a picture, and I found Abraham Lincoln. Now, I have to put the same exact picture in slide 2. Here. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to Google Abraham Lincoln, okay? And I'm going to go to images. And I'm going to take this picture. I'm going to right click, save image as, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. I like things on my desktop. It's easy to find. Lincoln, more Lincoln. You name it, whatever you want. Okay, save. Now, you're going to see that it'll appear here on your desktop. So now Mr. Zuckerman goes back here. I pull this picture into the template. Simple. And then I just adjust this as necessary until I get it to fit in this square. Just like so. Okay. Now, when that's done, I make sure it lines up. This is slide 2. And this is slide 3. So first slide goes to slide 2. This is slide 2. It matches. So I have to give the name. All right, your name is Grant. That goes to here. Okay. And then you need to give a description of the person of the picture that you're doing. What do I mean by that? boys and girls. Okay. If I click here, I have right here in this box, I have to give a description. Okay, and I have to make sure it's in order. So the next picture I put in this box here would go underneath it, etc. So I put a description here. Who is this? Well, it's Abraham Lincoln. What is he? He's president. What does he want? What does he do? Etc. You would go out and say, Battle of Shiloh. Okay. In the Battle of Shiloh, you go to images, and I'm sure you'll find images. You can do whoever you want. You could do Grant. You could do a Confederate person. You could do Frederick Douglass. You could do Harriet Tubman. Anybody from the Civil War, you can do. Down here, you're going to see this space right here, a short message about the photo. Okay, please do a correct description about what the photo is representing, proper spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Make sure each photo has one, and then some hashtags. Hashtag Abraham Lincoln. Hashtag Big Battle at Spotsylvania. Big Battle at Shiloh. Hashtag Union Victory. Hashtag Confederate Loss. Any of those that you can do. And then there are some extra credit, okay? I want you guys to do well, okay? You either do it or you don't. It doesn't hurt your grade. Right here above the short message is usually on Instagram the likes, you know, this little heart thing right here. You can say, who would like this photo? Well, would Robert E. Lee like a photo of Abraham Lincoln? Probably not. Would McClellan like a photo of Abraham Lincoln? Maybe yes and no. They have their battles. Would Grant like a picture of Lincoln? Yes. Would Mary Todd Lincoln like a picture of her husband? And I need you guys to do that. Here are your grades down below here, okay? And that's all you have to do for this project. You can choose whoever you want. You're choosing one person and 6 photos. One person and 6 photos, and the rest of it's done for you. It's just putting in the information. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, of course, Mr. Zuckerman and Mr. Viola will be here. Just let us know. Have a good day. Bye.